In this video, I will show you how to turn your data, your table from vertical to horizontal. And similar, you can turn horizontal to vertical. So firstly, select them, then copy. Now select any cell, then in paste, select this last one, paste special, select all, then select it, transpose, then click on OK. Now just guys, you need to make space properly. So double click on it in the border like this. One by one, make proper border. And another way, select these cells like this and make changes for any column like this. So we can make proper space for every column and make more changes like make center, so this is the way you can make your table from horizontal to vertical. Same, you can turn horizontal to vertical. Firstly, select your table or your data, then right click and copy. And select any cell. Now paste special, select all and transpose. Then click on OK. That's it. So thanks for watching.